of it from actually watching a TVC and then reading about it for all the great things that you guys have written, of course. When I saw the TVC, it was quite moving, and I think it's just something that we don't address in our day-to-day lives. I'm sure कि हमारे घर में ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं. I'm sure it's your dad who's protective about you. It's your brother who's so supportive, and everybody else is so encouraging, but it's not something that we really acknowledge them for. We always pick up at men for all the wrong things and all the bad reasons, and so I'm really happy that I'm here today for Soldier for Women, because of course our men here on this stage are very big examples, and Mandira and me, I think, are really, really glad that yes, we are the recipients. We feel so happy and proud to be a part of this. I've seen this in my day-to-day life, many times when if I'm carrying something heavy, a guy is going to come about and just be like, can I help you with that? I think these are the things that men always do, and हमें लगता है कि ये उनकी duty है. Of course, तुम्हें करना चाहिए, but it's not something that we thank them for. Every man has a soldier in them, and that's for sure. I'm so glad that Gillette has put this out so that people actually realize this, and like Aditya and Arbaz already said, अगर आप किसी को कुछ help कर रहे हो, support कर रहे हो, encourage कर रहे हो, या if you're showing courage around, people I think kind of take inspiration from that, or maybe just get embarrassed and realize कि हमें भी यही करना चाहिए. So I'd like to thank the team for making me a part of this, and yes, I pledge my support for Soldier for Women. Thank you.
And it's not just men, right? It's also women who have to sometimes wear the guard of being a soldier. So Mandira, if you can share with us one personal instance when you had to be a soldier, or you...
Absolutely. I started my career with a show called Shanti, and she was this crusader, and I found so much of her rubbed off on me, and it was down to just, I remember at that point, we all didn't bring our tiffins to shoot and all, and we all ate set food, and the set food used to be really inedible. So what I did was I went to the producer with a dabba of khana, and I said, this is what our unit is being subjected to. So it's not just Soldier for Women. I'm saying I was a soldier for the unit at that point. And honestly, we might think it's a small thing, but for every person from the unit, the light man, the technicians, food is very important, and if they're being fed not good food, the food changed. The food, needless to say, the food changed from the next day.
Go Mandira! Okay, here's a question for Aditya before he falls asleep on us.
Come to my film set also, please, because I'm not enjoying.
Aditya, a message for young men out there in terms of our Soldier for Women movement. What would you like to say?
I think it's a similar point I made earlier. I think it's about treating people how you would like your loved ones to be treated. I think it starts from home. It starts from how you're brought up. Treat a woman how you would like your own family to be treated. Your wife, your mother, your sister, and I think you'll be fine if you do that.
Just to add to what he's saying, it's we as women don't want to be treated as special. We don't want to be treated differently. We want to be treated as equals. You treat me like you treat the man next to you. Give us the respect to be treated as equals. We don't want any special treatment. That's right. An important thing to remember.
And the most important thing what I'm gathering from Mandira is that women want to be listened to,
Yeah, baby! Give me a mic, I won't stop
You give them a ear, and I think we are fine.
Yeah. Let's switch off our mics.
What about
so
you,
As long as they're
Arbaz?
talking and you're listening, you're being a soldier for women.
What about you, Arbaz? Any kind of message you want to send out there to the young men?
Well, like it has been said on the stage over and over again, that I think women are pretty capable of taking care of themselves in many ways. They don't need protection in this supposed way that we think they are. But at the same time, they need your kind of support when the need be. They need your respect. They need you to stand up when there is ever a call for that scenario. And small gestures like how Prachi also mentioned, even like maybe if there's a woman maybe at an airport or going somewhere, if you pick up her luggage and don't run away with it, but you kind of just pick it up and and yeah, give her a helping hand. And things like that. You open a door for someone. Like I said, if there's a woman wants to say something, you listen, or just be there, just support her. There are various ways. I think there are very subtle ways of what we would know is to respect a woman and to stand up for a woman. You know, so I guess that's what it is.
I'm going to speak again, so listen.
You wait now. Let Aditya talk.
No, I just want to say very often men harass women because they think they're alone. All right? Sometimes just knowing that there's a man there to, like, for example, there was a friend of mine who was harassed by a neighbor, and because she lived alone. My husband rang the doorbell and said, "Why are you bothering her?" Just the fact that this guy knew that she has a backup. That's what's important. That, you know, it's very often we're capable of looking after ourselves, but sometimes situation calls. The situation calls for a man just his presence. Main hoon na. Right.
Well, I hope your words will inspire many out there to create a difference and join us in our movement. It's truly been unbelievable. VVS, as you mentioned, we've had over 3 lakh pledge supporters, as well as 12 million pledges and 3 lakh Men of Honor stories that have come in on Facebook and other platforms. All of that just speaks of the impact and the awareness that this movement has created. But let's take a moment, and can I request you all, boys, follow me. Boys, Mandara, static. Can I request the boys to stand up front?
In front.
Yes, and girls, you know where to go. One on either side. Now, what we really also want to do is acknowledge the men who have really stood up. We've got such great, real Men of Honor stories that show us and assure us that there are men out there who are respecting and standing up for women. So let's celebrate this moment of hope. We're at the balloon installation here, all our wonderful guests, and can I request Mandara and Prachi to release the balloons as a symbol of hope, as a celebration for this moment of success and achievement that we've received. Ladies and gentlemen, this is truly a celebration of hope. A moment where we truly acknowledge the support, the commitment, the promise that men have taken to stand up and protect and respect women. You can release the balloons. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a small step that can I request all electronic media to step forward for common bites from our brand supporters and movement advocates? I'd also like to thank you all for joining us here today.
Thank you.
And how do you take this moment? कैसा रहता है एक लड़की के लिए जब कोई सपोर्ट करने आता है?
ट्रस्ट मी, जब पहली बार मुझे जिलेट सोल्जर फॉर वुमेन इस मूवमेंट के बारे में पता चला, आई वाज एक्चुअली क्वाइट मूव्ड विद द होल थॉट, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हम हमेशा वी ऑलवेज पिक ऑन मेन फॉर द रॉन्ग रीजंस, वी ऑलवेज पिक ऑन देम जब कुछ अनप्लेजेंट होता है, एंड दैट्स समथिंग दैट वी कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द टाइम, बट हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि अगर वो कुछ अच्छा करे और उसके बारे में हम बात करें, आई एम श्योर दैट मोर एंड मोर मेन विल गेट इनकरेज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, दे विल गेट इंस्पायर्ड विद दैट, एंड शायद इस वजह से वो भी रियलाइज़ करेंगे कि वी ऑल हैव अ सोल्जर विद इन अस, एंड दैट डजंट मीन कि हमें जाकर वॉर लड़ना है, बट इट जस्ट मीन्स दैट ऑल द क्वालिटीज़ दैट अ soldier has, you have to be supportive, a lot more courageous, and of course go and kind of show your support to a woman when she's in a situation. So that's something that I think is fabulous that Gillette has come up with, and already ये movement बहुत ही successful हुआ है, क्योंकि उन्हें 3 lakh people have written in, उन्होंने बताया कि हमारा personal experience क्या रहा है. So I am that one added person into the 3 lakh people now, and there's like 1.2 crore people who have pledged their support for it. I salute all our soldiers.
देखा गया कि बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी जिस भी मूवमेंट में जुड़ जाते हैं वो एक हिट हो जाता है,
Right.
तो आपकी एसोसिएशन से कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला है?
I'm so glad if you actually look at it like that. मैं कहूँगी कि हम as actors बहुत ही lucky है कि जो चीज़ें really हमें भी we think that are very important, we're given a chance to actually be associated with it, and हमें ये मौका भी दिया जाता है कि we can voice our opinion. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो probably I think really affects you, me, all of us, and I'm sure all my friends also. But I'm glad कि मुझे इतना बड़ा ये platform मिलता है कि मैं उस बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ.
रची, क्या आपको लगता है कि आजकल जिस तरह से माहौल चल रहा है जहाँ, तो आपको लगता है कि इस मूवमेंट से कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस आए?
एब्सोल्युटली मुझे लगता है, आई थिंक कहीं पर वी टेक मेन फॉर ग्रांटेड समवेयर, हमेशा अगर कोई हमारे हेल्प के लिए कुछ आ जाता है, या सपोज यू कैरिंग अ हेवी बैग एंड अ मैन सेज ऑफर्स टू हेल्प, मे आई प्लीज कुड आई लिफ्ट इट अप फॉर यू, हमें लगता है कि या ऑफ कोर्स ही इज अ गाय, ही हैज टू पिक इट अप, एंड अगर कोई हमें सीट ऑफर नहीं करता है तो हमें लगता है कि दैट्स वेरी रूड, एंड वी डोंट रियली एक्नॉलेज दैट, हम इस बात को एड्रेस नहीं करते हैं, वी नेवर थैंक देम फॉर दैट. सो मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं डेफिनेटली एवरी गाय हैज़ अ सोल्जर इन देम, एंड हम अगर ये बात बोले तो आई एम श्योर समवेयर डीप डाउन विद इन दे आर गोइंग टू फील दैट दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी आर रियली थैंकफुल टू देम फॉर, एंड आई एम श्योर कि वो हर एक दैट गाय आई थिंक विद दिस पर्टिकुलर मूवमेंट इज गोइंग टू बी मोर इनकरेज्ड, एंड या.
प्राची, आपकी लाइफ में कोई एक ऐसा मैन जो सोल्जर का काम कंटिन्यू करता रहा हो?
I've been really lucky that my dad has been extremely supportive always. मेरा कोई भी decision हो तो वो हमेशा मुझे encourage करते हैं, support करते हैं. But that's my dad. I think all dads are like that, But like if I have to give an example of my professional life, मेरा जो driver है, जो boy है, जो makeup artist है, they are all males, and जब भी of course हमारे साथ bouncers हमेशा होते हैं. There are people who are there to look after our safety, but हम जब भी कोई बहुत ही crowded जगह में shoot करते हैं या जाते हैं for a visit or anything, he's always there, and which is like a huge support system. I think that's one example I can give.
अपने पार्टनर से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करती है एज अ सोल्जर?
I think if definitely the most important thing would be that person has to be extremely courageous. आजकल लड़कियां बहुत ज़्यादा independent है अपने आप के लिए, but I think the person needs to be supportive, encouraging, and has to have courage in him.
बॉलीवुड में कोई ऐसा इंसान जो आपके लिए सोल्जर बॉलीवुड में?
I think मेरे लिए from Bollywood, and a great example would be Mr. Bachchan. He's somebody who we all look up to, and जब भी मैं उनसे मिली हूँ, I think he's given me that feeling of somebody who's extremely supportive, encouraging, and very courageous. So I think it would be Mr. Bachchan.
जैसा आपने कहा था कि जैसे कोई हैवी वेट उठाता है तो उनको हेल्प किया जाता है, वैसे मैंने भी आंटी को ट्राई किया था हेल्प करने का, बट शी टुक इट इन अ रॉन्ग वे.
Really?
या
Okay.
सो सम टिप्स कि हम लोग कैसे अप्रोच करें ऐसे हेल्प करने के लिए.
Yeah, sure. I'm sure. I think कभी-कभी कोई आपके helpful gesture को,
एक्सक्यूज मी, साइलेंस प्लीज.
I'm sure कि कभी कोई आपके helpful gesture को किसी दूसरे नज़रिए से देख के, और प्रॉब्ली दे माइट मिस इंटरप्रेट दैट. आई जस्ट टेल मेन कि बिल्कुल इस बात से डिस्करेज मत होइए. अगर कभी हमें लगे कि यू आर क्रॉसिंग योर लाइन, और यू नो आई डोंट नीड हेल्प फ्रॉम यू, it's okay, just let it be, you know, but don't stop doing that anymore, because I think that's what we want. That's really something that we need, and don't be discouraged by anything. Just keep going.
प्राची, कोई ऐसी मेमोरी जैसे आपके लाइफ में कोई सोल्जर मतलब बहुत आप प्रॉब्लम में हो, कोई आपको हेल्प करना है, ऐसी कोई शेयर करना चाहिए?
You know, actually ऐसा कई बार हुआ है, but one thing that I really remember is जब मैं एक दिन घर वापस जा रही थी, you know, generally मेरा जो ड्राइवर है, he drops me at the gate and then I go back home, but it was very late that day, and उस वक्त there were a lot of guys, there were these teenagers who had just finished from a party, और वो सब वहाँ थे. He refused to go from there. You know, my driver said कि जब तक मैं आपको घर तक, आपके डोर तक नहीं छोड़ूंगा, I won't go. And I just thought that's something that's extremely moving for me, because यही सारी चीज़ें हैं जो I think हम याद भी रखते हैं, and this is what we want the guys to do for us. Thank you.
Yes, rolling.
एक मिनट.